Tapos may sumingit na naman. Sabi niya, "Hi, can I have photo with you?" Ganyan-ganyan. "You know, I'm such your fan." Ganun-ganon. "I've been following you for so long." Ganun-ganon. "Oh, thank you so much." Alam ko, checkwa yung nagpapapicture sa kanya. At saka hindi naman yun media. At saka ano lang yun, kumbaga, siguro napadaan, nakikita niya nagkakagulo yung mga tao, tapos nagpa-picture, ganyan-ganyan yung mga checkwa, mga Chinese. Kasi ang dami nag-check-in na Chinese dun kagabi. Tapos parang sabi ko, naisip ko, paano to magiging fan ni Gazzini hindi niya nga kilala si Gazzini, parang nagka-check-in lang dito sa hotel. Kasi nakita ko nag-check-in lang, at saka narinig ko siya kanina, tinatanong niya yung isang Thai kung sino yung mga naka-gowns. Tapos parang sinabi na MGI All-Stars, tinatanong niya pa kung ano yung MGI All-Stars, kung ano yun, yung pala pageant, ganyan. Tapos nakita niya, nagkaagulo kay Gazzini, lumapit, nagpa-picture. "I've been a fan, I've been following you for so long." Tapos biglang sabi ko, talaga ba? Sabi ko gano'n, Diyos ko, ama na. Ama na yan, tama na. Tapos napalingon si Gazzini, sabi ni Gazzini, "Ama na." Sabi gano'n ni Gazzini. Tawa siya ng tawa kami ng tawa. Sabi ko, "Oh my God." Tapos appear lang kami ng appear. Sabi ko, "Gaga ka." Sabi ko sa kanya, "May naintindihan niya yan." Tapos sabi ko, "Nga mama." Sabi, "Hindi naman siguro, pero ama na." Sabi ko, yung ugali niya. And first time niya akong makita. Tapos sabi ko, "Hi Gazzini, this is Parade of Beauty from Parade of Beauty." "Oh, Parade of Beauty." Ganun-ganun siya sa akin.
So mga kapolitika, inyo pong napanood itong si Parade of Beauty dito sa kanyang reaksyon kay Gazzini Ganados nang makita niya ito doon sa Bangkok sa Thailand para nga dito sa MGI All-Stars. At sobrang nagandahan itong si Parade of Beauty dito kay Gazzini. At yung kanyang sinabi naman doon sa first part ng kanyang video ay patungkol dito sa mga Chinese dahil marami nga pong Chinese delegate dito sa MGI All-Stars. So dito nung makita nila si Gazzini Ganados ay nilapitan nila at agad-agad na nakipag-close itong mga Chinese vlogger dito kay Gazzini Ganados. So yun po yung sinabi niya dito sa kanyang social media account. So ang pinaka-latest ngayon na update dito sa MGI All-Stars ay itong activity nila na Taste of Thai. A flavorful journey begins in Thailand. Today, the MGI All-Stars delegates experience the rich taste of Thai culture through the special activity Taste of Thai. From Blue Elephant Bangkok Sathorn Cooking School and Restaurant, Thai flavors to a fun cooking class experience, get ready for a delicious day filled with smiles, spices, and unforgettable moments. So, at dito naman sa kanilang mga sa mga clip natin nakikita sa social media mga kapolitika ay talagang masasabi natin na ang tinik dito sa corona ng MGI All-Stars para kay Gazzini ay yung mga Latinas pa rin, yung Colombia at si Peru. Sila talaga yung nakikita ko na makakasama doon sa top 5 or sa top 3. Okay, so pero like yung sinabi natin previously na hindi naman ito scored itong mga activities nila ngayon dahil ang scoring ay magbase nga doon sa botohan at doon sa sa pasya ng mga judges doon sa preliminary competition at sa final. So itong activities na ito is part lang para ma-enjoy nila yung Thailand at ma-promote yung culture at yung tourism nila. So dito sa kailang pabutuhan mga kapolitika na kung saan ay 66 pesos yung one vote dito sa kanilang People's Choice. A historic moment in pageant history begins now. For the first time ever, the contestant with the #1 highest votes in the World's Choice Award with total voting contributions of no less than $100,000 will earn the honor of presenting the official MGI All-Stars crown at Welcome All the Stars to Bangkok on May 19, 2026. So, at least $100,000 yung ma-accumulate na boto. So, nasa 6 million ito mga kapolitika, gastos ng 6 million at least yung isang contestant para dito sa kailangan pa-award sa botohan at the same time makapasok doon sa tinatawag na top 18. So yun yung rito yung update ng Miss Grand International. Meron siyang limit na 100,000 at least dollars yung ma-accumulate or maipon na boto ng isang contestant para doon sa World's Choice Award. So far yun po ang ating pinaka-latest na update dito sa MJ All-Stars, dito sa kailang third day ng kanilang mga activities at mga kaganapan. So mga kapolitika, ano po ang inyong masasabi dito sa pabutuhan ng MJ All-Stars? Worth it kaya yung gagastusin para dito sa kailang pa-award? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.
Hey, yes. Oh my God, I love it. Habla español, sí. Yes. Thank you. And now, happy birthday. Today, we're experiencing your birthday at the Blue Elephant.
Yeah, of course. So thank you for celebrating.
Thank you.
The Papaya Station.
Okay, let's go. Papaya Station. Is this that
Yeah.
something? Oh my God.
Already, yeah.
Oh, so we are here now live at the Papaya Station teaching the girls how to make the papaya. It's famous like some
Yeah, fun, spicy.
spicy papaya
Yeah,
salad.
papaya salad, yeah.
Let's go, let's go. Let's go here, let's go here.
Okay.
Wow, this is so beautiful. The precision of how they chop it. You can see thinly like, hi, what's your name?
Chef Nuro.
Chef Ron, amazing. You're teaching the girls today.
Can get how to make a somtam salad because
Somtam
actually
salad.
somtam is very famous dish in Thailand. And when you eat it, you're skinny.
Oh, I love to eat more of this. I need to eat this every day. Do you like being skinny?
Yes, I prefer time, but I love cooking. This is my hobby.
Loving cooking, loving food, and loving being skinny. That's what makes you an all-star. I'm just kidding.
Wow.
Okay, show. Wow, look at that.
Careful.
The precision. If you would rate her 1 to 10, how would you rate her?
I think she loves cooking and she could be a good chef.
Good chef. Oh, Italiano. Okay, good. Look at that. There's like different spices. We have dried shrimp.
Yeah.
Yes, the peanuts. We have shallots and then garlic, and then we have the spices. Guys, don't be intimidated with the spices because these are all good. Aroy makmai.
This is palm
This is
sugar.
palm sugar.
Yeah, we use a GI product from Thailand. And this also tamarind, also GI product.
Wow, this is so beautiful and tasty.
My export, somtam dressing,
Oh, okay.
45 country around the world.
Oh, how much is it?
I export 45 country around the world.
Okay, so you add to cart. I'm just kidding. Add to cart. Okay, let's check out the other side. Come on.
Let's see.
Hi.
Wow, hurry
Wow.
up. Wow.
Wow.
Hi, Miss Philippines! How are you? Yes, so excited to be here. We are making raw papaya salad today. Best.
Are you scared about the spice?
I am not. I am actually Indian and I love spicy food.
There you have it. Indian, spicy, and hot as well. Oh my god. The perfect combo. Thank you. Okay, we have here Armenia. Yes, Armenia.
Yes! My support team. Yeah, we're supporting this one. I'm happy.
Grand Queen supporting each other. They are grinding. They are making papaya salad. I can see the precision. I can see the talent.
Wow.
She knows how to make a very, very smooth slice and peel of papaya. That's Armenia for you. If you want to have a scrumptious meal, go to visit Armenia.
Go to UK. Go to UK. But Europe coming strong here, chefing. Yeah, okay. My cutting skills on this one is not the best. I normally chef at home, okay? This is my first time making Thai cuisine. So I'm practicing. We're doing it together. I know. I bring the looks. Visuals. I bring the looks and the visuals.
Fashionable and good in cooking. What else are you looking for? If you would rate each other 1 to 10 with your skill set in